All right, everyone, so I'm out here in beautiful Port Huron, Michigan. Right over here is Port Huron. Right over there is Canada, and this right behind me is the bridge to Canada and the casino right there. So we are going to do a quick comparison this weekend. It's Memorial Weekend. It's really hot out. There's a lot going on out here in Port Huron. So I'm going to do a comparison of this phone, the OnePlus 6, to the iPhone 8 Plus. See which one of the two you think might be the better of the two devices. So we're going to do some still photos. We're going to do all kinds of different photos, some nighttime photos, also some video, just to see which one of the two performs better. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below at the end of this video. All right, so now you've seen the front-facing camera of the OnePlus 6. This is the iPhone 8 Plus. Let me know what you guys think. Which one of the two looks a little bit better? So we'll kind of pan over here to Canada and right back over here to Port Huron, Michigan, right over there, and again, the bridge. So let me know what you guys think. Which one of the two has the better front-facing camera for video? All right, so now we're going to do a little bit of moving video footage. So of course I'm walking here with the iPhone 8 Plus. We're shooting at 1080p at 60 frames per second. Now this can shoot up to 4K, but right now we're just shooting at 1080p 60 frames per second because I'm also going to do the OnePlus 6 at that same frame rate. So let me know what you guys think of the stabilization. Also, how's the picture quality, how's the video quality, and we're going to compare the two, see which one turns out a little bit better. All right, so here is the OnePlus 6 at 1080p, 60 frames per second. Again, stabilization is on. We're just checking to see how good the stabilization is. Also the picture quality. Let me know what you guys think, which one has the better picture quality. Got a boat going by, lots of seagulls. They love it out here. Perfect for them. And it's very busy out here in Port Huron.